rhythm, it's Jamaican pride representing for CCNWORL TV News. It's CCNWORL TV News.
Everybody on Jamaican YouTube has been talking about this situation recently. And honestly, moments like these remind people that behind the laughs, behind the videos, and behind the entertainment are real people with real emotions and real supporters who genuinely care about them. Right now, many viewers across Jamaican YouTube are continuing to send prayers, encouragement, and support to Canta and Climer during this difficult time. But something else people have also been noticing is the support system around them, especially the role Colaz Smith has continued to play behind the scenes. And throughout this video, we're going to talk about why so many people are respecting the way this team has stayed connected during a difficult moment. One thing people are realizing right now is this: some teams only look strong when cameras are rolling. But real teams, real friendships, real loyalty, that shows up during difficult moments. And many viewers believe that's exactly what we're seeing right now. Over the years, viewers have watched these creator teams grow together. The jokes, the vibes, the adventures, the funny moments, and the memories they created online. That's why so many people become emotionally connected to them. Because supporters don't only watch the content, they watch the brotherhood. And when situations like this happen, people naturally become concerned. But even during this difficult time, one thing that stood out to many supporters is the amount of care being shown behind the scenes. Even though Colaz Smith is currently in Trinidad and Tobago, he constantly checks in and asks for updates, making sure he knows how Canta and Climer is doing, and making sure they continue getting support and encouragement. And honestly, that level of concern says a lot. Because leadership is not only about videos, view, or success. Sometimes, leadership is about being there for people during difficult moments. And this is the part many viewers respect the most. Even while overseas, the connection between the teams still feels strong. And supporters online have definitely noticed it. A lot of people have always viewed this creator team differently, not just as people making content together, but almost like family. And moments like these really test friendships, loyalty, and support systems, because anybody can celebrate success together, but difficult moments reveal who genuinely cares. And according to many supporters online, they believe Colaz Smith showed genuine concern throughout the entire situation. Many viewers are also hoping that both Canta and Climer continue recovering and continue staying strong mentally and physically. Because the amount of support online right now has honestly been overwhelming. People from different channels, different communities, different audiences, even his fellow team members have posted about what has happened and are giving encouraging words to support Canta and Climer. And maybe the biggest thing this situation has reminded people of is this: the Jamaican creator community is bigger than competition. When serious moments happen, people come together, and that support can mean everything. So, from CCNWORL TV News, we want to continue sending prayers, strength, encouragement, and positive energy to Canta and Climer during this time. And respect as well to Colaz Smith for continuing to stay connected, continuing to check in, and continuing to show concern for his team members even while overseas. Because honestly, support matters. And to everybody watching this video right now, leave positive messages below. No negativity, no drama, just encouragement. Because words matter during moments like these. And hopefully very soon, supporters everywhere will be hearing positive updates, seeing continued healing, and seeing brighter days ahead once again. Because at the end of the day, that's what everybody is truly rooting for right now.